Hello and welcome to Hakista TV. In this video, I will be showing you how to install a custom firmware called Unleash to your Flipper Zero. And if you don't know what Unleash is, I will be leaving a link in the description down below. Now, first, I want you all to appreciate how easy it is to do a firmware update thanks to Flipper Zero here. Here you can see that I am having the Unleash 906124 version of the firmware, and the current Unleash is version 018. Now, to flash and install the new firmware, you just have to click install from file, and you just have to browse the TGZ file, which is this one, which is the 018 version of Unleash. Click it, click open, click install, and it will do the rest. So now we just have to wait. The advantages of using custom firmware for Flipper is that you get to leverage most of the community created apps, games, and improvements in one package. Sometimes these are features that Flipper Zero manufacturer cannot release on their own because of certification compliance purposes. Unleash community is currently very active in updating the build, which will give you the peace of mind that you will always have a very stable firmware. And if you like this video, be sure to watch my other Flipper video here on Hakista TV. Till next time, my fellow Hakista.